Introduction. Null in programming refers to the absence of a value. In Python, null is represented by the keyword none. None in Python signifies the absence of a value or a variable that has no value assigned to it yet. Understanding none in Python is crucial for writing efficient and error-free codes. Understanding Python null. In Python, none is a special constant, a singleton object used to denote the absence of a value or a null value. It's a built-in constant that has a return value of none type. To check if a variable holds a none value, we use the is keyword. Using equals to compare with none is not recommended. Common usages of none. In Python, if a function doesn't specify a return value, it returns none by default. None is often used as a default value for function arguments. This is useful when we want the function to have optional parameters. Tips and common pitfalls. None is not equivalent to false, 0, or an empty string. None is its own unique type, none type. In Python, none is a singleton, which means there is only one none object with the same identity. When comparing none with anything, we should always use is or is not instead of ===. Conclusion. The concept of null or none is a fundamental aspect of Python programming. It signifies the absence of a value and is commonly used in function return values and as default argument values. Understanding its usage and the common pitfalls associated with it will help you write more efficient and error-free codes.